What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with bad armpit odors, this is your solution. Have you tried natural deodorants? Have you tried aluminum deodorants and none of them seem to be working? This is going to help you. So all you need is a lemon, and you're going to need baking soda, and this is going to work like a charm. You're going to cut your lemon, top it with some baking soda, and you're going to use this to clean your armpits. First, before using it, you want to wash your armpits off with an antibacterial soap. I like to use Dial soap, the yellow one, and just rinse your armpit off with Dial soap first. Then you're going to use the lemon with the baking soda and scrub under your armpits. Once you're done with that, you could leave it sit for about a minute, 2 minutes, and then rinse it out. And once you're done with that, you could go ahead and use your all natural deodorant as needed. You don't even have to use deodorant after using this method. You don't really have to use deodorant. The baking soda and the lemon acts as an antiperspirant as well. You could just put a little lemon and it acts as an antiperspirant. So yeah, after you apply this, you're going to rinse it off, and then that's it. Okay, this is going to work. It's going to help you if you're struggling with smelly armpit odor and you just don't know what to do. Try this. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Okay, this is going to help you for sure. All right, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.